In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple EMA in TradingView. If you use charts to analyze markets, exponential moving averages, or EMAs are a great way to see the trend with a smooth line that reacts to price. Adding multiple EMAs together can help you compare short, medium, and long-term momentum at a glance. The good news is, TradingView makes this very simple, and you can set it up in just a moment. First, make sure you have a chart open in TradingView. Any symbol and any time frame will work. At the top left area of your chart, look for the Indicators button. It usually says Indicators and sits near the toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click that button to open the Indicators window. This is where you can find built-in tools and community scripts that add extra features to your chart. In the search bar that appears, type multiple EMA. You should see a result labeled multiple EMA. Depending on your layout and the scripts available, you might see more than one result with similar names. The one you want will clearly say multiple EMA. When you see it in the list, click it once. That's all you need to do. As soon as you click, the indicator will load and instantly appear on your chart. Right away, you'll notice several smooth lines overlaid on the price. Those are your EMA. And some courses, each one representing a different look-back period. They're typically color-coded, so you can tell them apart easily, and they move with price to give you a quick visual read on short, medium, and longer-term trends. You'll also see the indicator listed above your chart or in the data panel, confirming it's active. If your chart looks busy for a moment, that's normal. The multiple EMA indicator plots several lines at once so you can compare how they stack and separate as price moves. When the lines are close together, it suggests consolidation. When they spread out and slope in the same direction, it often reflects a clearer trend. You don't need to change anything else to start using it. Just observe how the lines interact with price and with each other. To recap the process, open your chart, click Indicators at the top left, search for multiple EMA, then click it to add it. It appears immediately on your graph, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using multiple EMA to bring more clarity to your chart analysis.